Hey all, welcome to the CSES TP Solution playlist. So today we are going to discuss point combinations 1. This is the third question of the basic of CSES, and this is very similar to the second question. And so let's start. So if you haven't read the problem statement yet, please pause the video and read the problem statement first. So I am assuming that you have tried the question. So let's see how it is different from the second one. So in this question, we have been given an array and we want to generate a desired sum, but we want to find the number of distinct ways we can produce the given sum. In the second question, if you see that we want to generate the sum using the using the minimum number of sums, but here we want to find the number of distinct ways. This is the only difference in these two. So you have guessed that we would be using the exact same approach to solve these two questions and would be just doing a slight difference in one of these. So if you have if and any ideas just click to you, I would recommend you to pause the video and think again of the solution. So let's see the solution now. So uh, if I have been given a desired sum, I want to find the number of ways, right? If I know, so let's jump to Sublime first. Yeah. So let's consider this case. I want to find the number of ways for 9, and my array is 2, 3, and 5, right? So how many ways to generate 9, right? So if you can see that I have been given infinite supply for each of the coins, so I can just make I guess 2 coin, no, 3 coins of 2 and 1 coin of 3. That would lead to 3 to the 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, right? Or I can or let's see. So these are the possible because I don't want to waste time on generating. I will just copy paste it, right? We should not waste time. So these are the possible combinations for this. As you can see, and that 2 plus 2 plus 5 and 2 plus 5 plus 2. These two are considered different. That's because the order are different. So order is different and we have considered these entirely different from each other. So how we are going to approach this problem? We know that dpx, if we would create an array dp of size x plus 1 or of size x for now, and what we would be interested in that if we want to know that if we want to know dpx and we know for some I dpx minus ai, right? We know that the number of ways for generating x minus ai, and now we want to know the number of ways to generate x. So this would be dpx is equal to uh, dpx plus dpx minus ai. I think it is very straightforward that if I can generate some x minus ai in some number of ways, in some y number of ways, then to generate x, I would just add ai to all these y number of ways. So the total number of ways would remain y, right? Plus dpx is for if I have some other way to generate dpx, right? So I hope it is clear, the dp relation and the dp size and the dp state is clear to you. So we would be looking at the code right now because I don't think that there is much explaining here because it is pretty straightforward and pretty similar to what we did in writing point. So let's jump to code. So I generated a DP array and I initialized the zero index with one. In minimizing one we initialize it with zero. But here we would initialize it with one because the DP zero, the number of ways to generate a zero sum is one. That we take nothing. Right? We take nothing, that is also a way. Right? So We just the same loop point I is equal to 1 to x, point j is equal to 0 till n. And if my age is greater than I would just continue. That's obvious because that would lead to a negative index, which would create a runtime error. And for each DPI, I would just add to it DPI minus age. Then percentage mod because we have want to find the number of ways modulo 10 pound. So a quick just a quick recap of percentage mod that that if you miss this step you would get a wrong answer because no matter if you mod the result, it won't matter because the intermediate state would have crossed the mod already. So you have to, if you don't know these modular arithmetic operation, then you must go and see a video of code and code. That's a good channel to start seeing this percentage mod operation. So I guess this is it because this is pretty straightforward question and very similar to the main one. And yeah, so a little spoiler about the second question. Yes. So the second question is to find the number of distinct ordered ways. Now there we use 2 plus, there we consider 2 plus 5 plus 2 and 2 plus 2 plus 5 as different. But in this question we have to consider these two as same. We just need to find the number of ordered ways. So that's a little trickier in the first look, but believe me, it is pretty easy to solve. So I will be making a video on it also. Till then, bye bye and stay home, stay safe, etc. Blah, 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 blah.